Hi, I'm Matt from Delphi Technologies and we're here today to look at changing the Stabiliser link, also known as anti-roll bar drop link, on this Audi A3 e-tron. First step is to take the wheel off. Okay, that's the wheel removed. Next step is to clean up the threads to give us more of a chance of undoing both of the nuts. So first off, I'm just going to roll the strut round a little bit to gain some better access. We can see the top nut that we're going to start to undo first of all. We're going to take some of the corrosion away, just give us more of a hope of removing it cleanly. Next step, we're going to remove like so. Okay, now that top nut's been undone, we're going to raise the vehicle up to improve access to the bottom nut. Okay, now we've got better access from lifting the vehicle fully. We're going to repeat the process and we're going to clean up the threads first of all. First step is to undo. So what I'm having to do here is work the nut backwards and forwards as it is binding slightly on the threads. We've not been as lucky with the bottom nut as we have with the top, so a little bit of extra assistance required from a little bit of lubricating oil. So we're just going to spray that on there and hopefully give us the chance of removing it more easily. I've removed the original faulty part and we're just doing a visual comparison to make sure that the Delphi Technologies replacement is the exact match. And now we're ready to fit to the vehicle. We're going to hang the component from the top fixing just to take the weight while we fully secure the bottom connection. Next step is to remove the nut from the component. Visually we can see we've got a fixing on the end which we can get the right tool for, and we can see that this is a slightly different size than what was removed, so we'll change tools. So we're holding the centre with the Allen key and that enables us to tighten the lock nut until we've got a little bit of tension on the joint. We're now going to set the torque wrench to manufacturer's specification of 65 Newton meters. So the next step is to secure the top mount in the same manner as the bottom. First of all, we're going to fit the ratchet spanner to the nut and then hold the centre with the Allen key again and tighten away. Okay, that's the nut secured. We're now going to torque to manufacturer's specification. Okay, that's how we fit a Stabiliser link from Delphi Technologies. Don't forget to follow us on social media and thanks very much for watching.